Okay, so due to some technical difficulties, I don't know how to use this that much, my sister trained me a few seconds ago. Alright, so let's do it again. Take two. Come closer! Yeah. Now we need to whip this, you can also use, if you don't have this hand blender, you can also use a whisk that I don't have at the moment, but you can use a whisk, okay? And right now I'm using this, okay? And you need to stir it. If you are using a whisk, then you need to stir it until your hands get tired, okay? So yeah, let's just make this, okay? We need to make some nice thick foam. Don't mind my American accent. I'm rich. As you can see, it's having some, this mucus, okay? And you need to keep, doing this until it becomes more thick. Alright. See, I'm intelligent. Okay, you can do this faster. Turbo speed. This is turbo speed. You can see there's so much cream. You can see there's so much cream. Oh my god, I've never seen so much cream. Actually, yesterday I saw, but wait. You need to do this for at least a minute until it gets, you need to make it as thick as possible. And I think we're done. Yeah. Oh, look at that! There's a hole. Okay, now let's clean this, or else my mom will beat me. Yeah. Beautiful. That's some French stuff. Okay. Well, mata pagod naman. Okay, so we got this done. So let me turn this off. Okay, so this is the cream, as you can see. Okay, this is how the cream should look like. It should look really creamy. Okay, and do not taste this because it tastes like black coffee. Okay, and I hate black coffee, by the way, guys. So if you like black coffee, no problem. And now we need to wash our mug. Come on, wash our mug. Yeah, see that? I'm rich. Okay. Now, where's my milk? Oh. I got my milk. Arushi, move away. This is the milk. This is a lot of milk. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, take the milk, drop it in. For that, we need, we could use a straw to put the milk like. Okay. Tastes horrible. Shit. Look at that. Alright. So we've got something. This is another type of cream. Okay. It is used to. It looks like something out from my nose, but it's all right. Let's wash everything. Okay. Let's kind of clean this mug. Nothing like that happened. All right. Okay, so we have the cream over here. 4 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I did not anticipate to make such a long video, but it's okay. Okay, so my battery is dying over here. Now we need to scoop this out of this whatever it is bowl. It looks like a little bit like a peanut butter. Yeah. Keep putting it in. Keep putting it in. Okay. Keep putting it in. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, there we go. There you go. There you go. Look at that. See, that's art. Okay, that is art. I just made some nice coffee. You can also add ice to it if you want. But right now you cannot waste anything because the coronavirus has yeah. Okay. I'm not good at aiming. And yeah, there we go. We have it right over here. This is the Mandola coffee, okay, whatever it is called, and yeah, we need to clean this up. Okay, we are done. Okay, now how to drink this? Okay, I'm going to just demonstrate. Okay, I'm not going to drink it in front of you people. Okay, what we need to do is simply take this and poof, and then we need to mix it. Okay, as we mix it, it gets tastier and tastier, and this color would be over here, and that's white. It looks good. Okay, there's some light, as you can see. Cheap. Okay, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the coders video. Let me go and yeah, bye.